We are growing at the Grove. Our vision is to be a growing church for growing people whom Christ will use for growing His kingdom. The Christian Education and Music Ministry of the Grove will present a play, The Christmas Dinner, on Sunday, December the 21st, immediately following our 1045 worship experience. We will also serve a family-style dinner in the fellowship hall. You don't want to miss a time of fun and fellowship. Bring your family and friends, and let's have a holy, jolly good time. The season of Advent is upon us. The word Advent means arrival. It is the time when we celebrate the birth of God's Son, Jesus Christ. The Gospels of Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John all reveal to us the arrival of Christ. But throughout the Old Testament prophecies, God had been telling His people about the coming of the Messiah for thousands of years. God always gives His people clues about what He is going to do. That way, we can be prepared for our future because we paid attention to our past. This December, Pastor Faison will take us through some prophetic promises that are fulfilled in the birth of Jesus Christ. You can almost hear God saying, "I told you so." Don't miss a moment of this powerful series. Hashtag, I told you so. Bring in the new year at Watson Grove. Join us for our Watch Night service on Wednesday, December the 31st at 7:30 p.m. or 10:30 p.m. Usher in 2015 with a renewed spirit and a renewed vision for your life. For more information, visit watsongrovembc.org. Join us on Wednesdays as the Grove prays on the Watson Grove prayer call every Wednesday at 6 p.m. Simply dial 302-202-1106. That's 302-202-1106 and enter passcode 348779. That's 348779 as Pastor Faison delivers a powerful prayer to help start your day. The Watson Grove prayer call is Wednesday morning prayer from anywhere. Watson Grove is now accepting applications for van drivers. For application and more information, please visit the website watsongrovembc.org. Come out to the Grovies, hosted by Roderick Webb. This award show will be held at Watson Grove on Friday, January the 9th. Show starts 7 p.m. sharp. Come photo ready and dressed to impress. Red carpet, live entertainment, refreshments, and fellowship will be included on this wonderful evening. You don't want to miss it. The Grovies, who will be a winner? Find out Friday, January the 9th, 7 p.m. Stay connected with us on Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube, or learn more about us by visiting our website at watsongrovembc.org.